Hey, what's going on, guys? So we got a really good one today. So what we got here is my Typhon Mega, but not. I've called it the Arrma Krayon because, well, what else do you call it other than, what do you get if you cross Typhon and Kraton? You get Typhon. Or you get Kraton, and I don't really like Kraton, so I called it the Krayon. And it looks awesome. Look how wide that thing is now. It's just sick. I mean, it pretty much is just a Kraton. I think it's Merlin or Marlin RC. Cheers, mate, you've been a real help. I think he mentioned that I should have just got a Kraton, or I'm not sure what he said, Big Rock, or one of the four-wheel drive sort of trucks. Well, I probably should have, but like I said, I like tinkering, I like modifying, so this was a perfect project for me. Just to confirm that it all is the same still the 2250 kV 3674, still the 100 amp. That's why I can't run on the 6L at the moment, because I've only got this speed control. Really quickly, I just got this new motor and I've got nothing to put it into, so I really do need a request for a 1/8 anything truck, buggy, truggy, whatever you want. It's a 4076 1700 kV, so I'll be able to gear this one right up if I wanted to. 6L motor, kit version if you can get the car in a kit. So I'll stop carrying on, guys, and go and give this thing a blast, because I think it's going to be a bit of a weapon now. So guys, this is just the 4200 milliamp at the moment. And I just gave it a little squirt across this, and it's crazy. Oh, hit the hole already. Oh, this is so much better than the buggy version. Wow. This thing moves now. Oh, there's still water there. Guys, that hole's almost full of water and I almost went straight into it. You can really see the shocks working on it now. It's excellent. Oh, yep. Definitely wants the backflip now. Yeah, it's really stable. Oh, and hit the log. That was a good one. Whoa! That's better. Thought these wheels would drain a lot of the torque away. But they're not too bad at all. Oh yeah, wants the wheelie now. Oh, something in the drive shaft for sure. Oh no. Oh. So there's something stuck in the gearbox, but how's that possible? Got no brakes now. How's that possible when the gearbox is sealed? Yep, completely gone. So I don't know what happened there. I'm guessing it was just, like I said, the torque, or the torque that it requires to push these wheels was just too much for the spur gear and pinion gear. That's why I wanted to get the what is it, 0.8 mod slipper clutch set, and you know, gear set and everything, pinion gear. But I'm not paying, it was more than $100 just for the slipper clutch setup. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might just have to change back to the smaller wheels and just deal with getting stuck on a hill or something every now and again and not doing backflips. That's all I wanted to do, was do a backflip with this thing. So that's out of the books now. I have got one more pinion gear at home, but like I said, I'm not putting it in if it's just going to do that again, because I'm not wasting whatever they are, $17, or I know it doesn't sound like much, but if you're putting one in every single battery, that's a lot of money. So guys, it looks like I'm finished. As always, cheers, catch you in the next video, and stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.